There are 5 things every human needs for their big game party.
First, they have to invite all their friends that love watching humans fetch this brown ball. Touchdowns are always sweeter when you have buddies to celebrate with.
Next, they need guac made with delicious, healthy, and always in season avocados from Mexico because they're always worth it. Showing up to the party prepared deserves a belly rub.
They can also spike that guac with tasty Tabasco sauce for extra flavor.
You can't forget the Ritas. There's a flavor to make anyone's tail wag. Ritas are best enjoyed cold. Your human will want to pour one over ice and enjoy it in a glass.
Don't forget, safe rides are a must, and finding a friend that looks like a mop will help with cleanup.
Hey, my ears are hiding, but I can still hear you. Anyways, don't forget to grab the lights on the way out.
Make sure to savor winning flavors at your big game party.
Avocados from Mexico.